A swarm of drones navigating their way around buildings across the world. Well, it might sound like a sci-fi horror film, but an Israeli company is flying high, trying to make this vision a reality. Our Meira Weiss has more on a potential future full of drones. Let's take a look.
The future of deliveries has arrived to Israel, and it's a future where the sky is the limit. A package delivered directly to the customer's neighborhood by drone, soon to be a reality in Israel. Israeli company Strix Drones launched a successful pilot of this vision in Yorham, a town in the south of the country.
What actually happens when the drone brings the package to the agnostic docking station? The elevator takes the package and places it in a cubicle. Simultaneously, you receive a note and you have 15 seconds to grab the package as the cubicle blinks. The shipment flies here, lands on the docking station, and you can come pick it up whenever you want.
The successful project is another step toward making deliveries quicker, more accessible, and more environmentally friendly for users and for our world.
Today, drones can fly only a few miles, and in the very near future, this coming year, their range will grow to 6 to 12 miles per flight.
The Noisy initiative is expected to be launched for the first time ever in Modi'in, in central Israel, this coming September. The agnostic docking station for drones will be placed throughout the urban area for residents to use.
This is actually the first time that there is a system of a drone that knows to ship a package to the ground, to a smart system that knows to receive the package and mail it to a specific person.
The Strix Drones technology has been sold abroad to retail chains and blood labs. Moreover, in the future, the docking station will be on rooftops.
We've developed here is a system that receives a delivery within 6 miles range from the phone to prevent thefts, so not anyone with a phone can open a cubicle.
The system can communicate with each drone around the world and land it on its docking station safely. Jeff Bezos' 2013 vision comes to life in Israel.